Hey guys, Zeta here, and today we're taking a look at version 2 of the Justice League Unlimited Wonder Woman figure. I'm sure she came with accessories, but I bought this used on eBay, so no accessories there. But I even said in the review for this version that I would pick this up just for a comparison. And I thought I'd just go screw it and make a review. So, some comparisons real quick. You see the face sculpt is a lot more, I think it'll focus. The face sculpt looks a lot more lively instead of just looking dead. The colors are different here, like the red is much brighter. The yellow is essentially the same. The skin tone is brighter. The pants, brighter. And even the hair compared to this version, this is all plastic, but this is all rubbery. But you do miss the booty. Even the legs are, just kidding. Even the legs are sculpted different. Instead of just standing more inward, they're more outward. And I think the arms are sculpted differently too. Yeah. They're more outward than inward too. The side profile looks better too. And just for quick comparison, here she is with Superman, and if this will stand up, I swear. Both Batman and Superman don't have peg holes in their feet, so it's hard for them to stand up. But here's, I don't know if it's better with the light on or off, but here's the Trinity. And just for a spoiler for the next review, here's the Flash, which, yeah, I'm just missing 3 other members. Here she is compared to the 5-inch Spider-Man 3 figure. And yeah, Spider-Man's obviously going to be way too tall, because all the JLU figures are 4.5 inches. Articulation-wise, now, the original figure had this problem too, no head movement, but there is a mod that you can do, because the hair is a more rubbery piece. You have this ugly looking block jutting out of her back that's like the hair is glued to. What I did was took this knife here and detached this from where it was glued in. All I'd have to do really is just shave this part off. And that's going to take some time. And you see how rubbery the hair is now. But with that mod, you can get some head movement. So if you want more posability in this figure, go for it. Otherwise, then, yeah, do it at your own risk if you want. But, like, this was never a childhood figure that I had, so I don't really care much for it. But the added benefit of this mod, just to get more head articulation, is nice. But other than that, with that mod, the head can do a full 360 because of that rubbery hair. The arms can do a full 360 if with that mod as well. Unlike this version, she actually has a waist swivel. And the legs, they do that kind of like full 360, but they go out like this. And if you want to display this figure, you're gonna have to get a figure stand with a much smaller peg, because these are much smaller peg holes. Just looking at the comparison between Wonder Woman and Flash when compared to figure peg holes, yeah, these are much smaller. And without a figure stand, you'll have to take extra time just to stand the figure up. But other than that, this figure's good. I really like it. And it's one step closer to completing the team. Speaking of, next review. Really, the only other Justice League figures from my childhood that I'd have to pick up are the 10-inch versions of these three. Also, here she is compared to the McFarlane Superpowers Wonder Woman. And yeah, McFarlane is going to be a bit taller. This is from like 2004, so there's that. So I hope you enjoyed this review. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you can find this figure on eBay, find it for a good price. I paid I don't even remember what I paid, $10 for it, and that was loose. But yeah, find this figure for a good price if you can afford it. So that's it. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. You can join my Discord and follow my social medias. The links to those are in the description. And this has been Zeta. Have a good rest of the night.